Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Airtable AI. First, understand that Airtable AI integrates directly into your bases, allowing for powerful automation and data processing. You can leverage its capabilities to streamline workflows, from generating content to summarizing data. It's designed to make your data work smarter for you, saving valuable time and effort. To begin, add an AI field to your table, just like any other field type. You'll then choose from a selection of pre-built prompts or craft your own custom instructions. It's crucial to select the right AI model, like GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, depending on the complexity of your task. Finally, link this AI field to relevant data fields in your base to give it the necessary context. Airtable AI offers many practical applications. You can automate content generation, creating marketing copy or product descriptions with ease. It's also excellent for categorizing data, such as sorting customer feedback or support tickets, providing quick insights. Furthermore, you can use it to extract specific information, like names, dates, or key phrases, from large blocks of text, saving manual effort. To get the most out of Airtable AI, always refine your prompts for clarity and specificity. Clear instructions lead to much more accurate and useful outputs. Experiment with different AI models and prompt variations to discover what works best for your unique workflows. This iterative process helps optimize performance and ensures you're leveraging the AI effectively. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.